So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Did you build your website with Lovable but it's not showing on Google? Here's how to connect your Lovable site to Google Search Console and get it ready for indexing. So firstly, open Google Search Console and click Add Property and enter your website domain. Choose Domain and click Continue. Google will give you a TXT verification record. Open your domain provider's DNS settings and add a new TXT record using the value provided by Google. Save the record, wait for a few minutes, and then return to Search Console and click Verify. Once verified, open URL inspection in Google Search Console. Paste your Lovable website URL and press Enter. If Google says the page isn't indexed, click Request Indexing. Now, if your Lovable site has a sitemap, go to Sitemaps in Google Search Console and submit sitemap.xml. This helps Google discover your site's pages. And that's it. Your Lovable website is now connected to Google Search Console and ready to Google to crawl and index. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.